Welcome everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your WordPress theme without losing your customizations, and the process is actually very simple. Before we begin, I want to share something helpful for anyone who works with WordPress themes. If you often download themes from ThemeForest and still feel limited when customizing your site, you should try Divi from Elegant Themes. Divi gives you a full visual builder that lets you design your website by dragging and dropping sections. It removes many of the restrictions that come with traditional themes. You can find a link in the description to try Divi at a great price with a full refund guarantee if you do not like it. Now let's get started. Updating your WordPress theme without losing your customizations requires just a few careful steps. First, before touching anything, make sure you have a full backup of your website. This includes both your files and your database so you can restore your site easily if anything goes wrong. Next, if you made changes directly in your theme files, you'll want to move those edits into a child theme. A child theme keeps your customizations separate so they won't be overwritten when you update the main theme. If your changes were made using the WordPress customizer or in the additional CSS section, copy that CSS somewhere safe so you can reapply it if needed. Once you're ready, go to Appearance and then Themes. Here you can check your current theme version. If an update is available, download the latest version from ThemeForest. Now return to your WordPress dashboard and click on Add New Theme. Choose Upload Theme and select the updated theme file you downloaded. When the upload finishes, select the option to replace your existing theme with the new one. Your customizations will stay intact as long as they're in a child theme or stored outside of the parent theme files. After the update is complete, simply reapply your saved CSS if needed and check your site to make sure everything looks correct. And that's it. That's how you can update your WordPress theme without losing your customizations. Before we finish, if you want more design freedom and worry less about theme updates, Divi from Elegant Themes is a great choice. You build everything visually without any coding. The link is in the description to try Divi at a great price with a full refund guarantee.